Okay, in this tutorial brought to you by the website shop, we're going to go over 3 very easy ways to upload your logo to any StudioPress theme. When you activate your theme, this happens to be metric, it's going to look a little something like this. And it's either going to default on your text logo or it's going to default on the StudioPress logo, depending on your settings. So, first things first, let's go into Genesis. And let's make sure that you're using an image logo. Save settings. And if we refresh, you'll see that there is the default metric logo, or the logo for any StudioPress theme that you happen to be using. Okay, let's go over the first method. First method would be to go to your media, add new, select the file, and let's just go down here and look for any logo. It really doesn't matter. Obviously your logo. Edit once you've uploaded that. Okay, and now we have the path to that logo. Copy. Go into your style sheet. I just find logo. Okay, and then right here under image header, you will see background URL images / logo.png. What you are going to do is make sure it stays within the parentheses, paste that path, update your file, and the logo is going to be there. Okay, that is one way to do it. Okay, let's go to another way to do it, which is a plugin. Go to plugins, go add new. Okay, and then we're going to type in Genesis simple headers. Okay. And here it is, Genesis simple headers. Install. Activate. And this is going to be found under Genesis. I'm sorry, under Appearance. So Appearance header. And there you go. Upload. Now remember, this has got to be 340 by 120 maximum width and height for your logo. You simply browse, upload your image, and click Save Changes. Okay. Let's go back just quickly here because I get this question a lot. What if your logo is wider, or what if your logo is taller than 320? So let's go back into the editor. Go back down to logo. And right here is where the width and height of your logo is going to be defined. So if you want it to be a little bit wider than 320, then simply just change this to whatever you need it to be. If you need it to be 400, if you need it to be 550, that's perfectly fine. You can also change the height. But also remember, if you change the height, you also might have to change your header to make it look good. But this is where you would edit the width and height of your logo. Okay, so we got 2 methods. One, you simply paste the URL right into the style sheet right here. Second one is install the Genesis Simple Header plugin. And the third one is to go into your cPanel. Okay, locate File Manager. Okay, you're going to go into WP Content. You're going to go into your theme, choose your theme. In this particular case, it's metric. You're going to go into Images. Okay, now if you scroll down here, right here, you will see where it says logo.png. What you're going to need to do is, this is a 2-step process. The first is you are going to have to rename this to anything you want to rename it to. What I would just rename it is just, logo1.png and then rename file. You can also delete it if you want, but this is just the way that I prefer to do it. Okay, then next thing that you're going to do is you're going to upload. Now, one thing that you have to remember if you choose to do this method is that unless you go in and edit your CSS, the file that you're going to upload must be logo.png. It can't be any other name but logo.png. If you upload it, you browse your files, upload it. I actually don't have one that's called logo.png. But once you do that, it will replace this file, logo.png, and your logo will appear. So those are the 3 methods to upload a logo onto any StudioPress theme.